Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, checking out Claybough's Campground, a fantastic spot if you're looking for a comfortable, well-located stay near the Great Smoky Mountains and all the attractions in town. We'll do a full drive-through so you can see the campsites, plus I'll give you a quick rundown of the amenities. So let's get into it. Before we hit the drive-thru, let's talk amenities. Claybough has everything you need for a comfortable stay, including fully equipped cabins, tiny homes, and cottages in case you don't have an RV. Now for the campers, they offer full hookup sites with 30-50 amp power, water, and sewer, Wi-Fi and cable TV. They have 2 swimming pools with a lazy river and lots of stuff to keep the kids entertained. They have a workout room for the adults, 3 laundry rooms, and 4 clean, heated, and cooled bathhouses. They have a camp store stocked with essentials and an on-site restaurant. They have a pavilion area with gas fire pits. But one of the biggest perks, you're just minutes from Dollywood, the island, and the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. So whether you're here for the attractions or just to relax, you're in a great spot. Alright, let's take a drive through the campground so y'all can see what the sites look like. Clabough has over 300 full hookup sites. That's huge for this area. All of the sites are full hookup with 30-50 amp power, water, and sewer hookup. All of the sites have a picnic table. And they do offer 16 premium concreted sites here and have some creekside sites. There's a good mix of RVs here. They have big rigs, travel trailers, and even some tent campers. But that's enough talking. Let's go check them out. Alright, y'all, that's a wrap on our tour of Claybough's Campground. Overall, it's a solid spot with great amenities, a fantastic location, and a good mix of sites to fit different rigs. If you've stayed here before, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more RV content, and turn on the notifications so you'll never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you on the next one.